All right. Sorry, last interruption here for the day. So I want to start off thanking everyone here for participating in a very awesome contributor summit. I hope you have had a lot of fun today. I want to extend my thanks to a few people here. So I want to make sure that you know who they are, so you can thank them properly. So first off, we have the workshop leaders, Tim and Gwyn. Can you please stand up and wave? And I also want to thank all the workshop tutors and workshop assistants that we've had today, making sure that you go through all the debugging and everything. So if you've been an assistant or a tutor, please stand up. And I want to give a big shout out to the planning team for this. It's all volunteer based. This is all done because we love the project and we want to make sure it succeeds. So planning team, please stand up. Yes, that includes you, Paris, as well. And last but not least, of course, I want to thank all of you contributors, both new and current. So new contributors, can you please stand up? Woo! Awesome. We do, sorry, what? We do have a few bags out there that are unclaimed, so if you still haven't picked up your bag of swag, make sure you do so. If you're a new or a current contributor, the new ones are out here, the current are over in CC4. Tim, Gwyn, do you have any parting words for the new contributors?
So in the past, we've had contributor badges for folks, and we don't have enough volume of them. So the new contributors, we're going to make sure that you get a code so you can claim one of those. But we wanted to make sure that you had a little token to take away from the day. So thank you all for coming, and I hope it's been useful. Please give us feedback on the day so that we can improve this. We're volunteers, and we want to iterate on the content and make sure it's as applicable as possible to people.
Yeah, I'm really excited so many of you came, and I really want to make sure that everyone who is here today can take something home with them, and I want to see every single one of you in the community participating, contributing, and being awesome. Yeah.
Thank you all, and enjoy.
Wait, do people know how this works? People don't know how this works, do they? Okay, here's how this is gonna work. We have representatives from SIGs next to signs. That one says docs, that one says VMware, that one says scheduling? Network, right, I'm so sorry. If you have been thinking about where you want to contribute, you're a new contributor, those are the signs to look for. Go around, introduce yourselves. This is a social. No one is required to sit in one place. Find the SIG leads, find the SIG contributors, ask to be assigned your first issue. You can even bring out your laptop and and say, hey, is this a good issue for me to work on? This is up to you to get out as much as you can. Go for it.